What is up, guys? Welcome back to our vlog. So today we're gonna do a unboxing video.
Again. So this box came from Uncle Dundun, our best uncle ever. Kamen Rider.
Yeah. So let's open the box.
Thank you, Uncle Dundun, for sending this box for my mom.
And thank you, JRS, for the
And
fast
thank you, JRS,
delivery.
for the fast delivery. So there it is, guys. The box has been opened. Wow, look at all of this. Damn.
And we got another one of this.
Haplas
Helpless for mommy.
for my one from mommy. Rodeo pig.
Kuya, wala.
Lasso pig.
Oh, sa ano to? Sa yung gulong. Yung sa gulong ka na robot.
Ano? It's a dinosaur. It's Mario climbing up to the tower.
And another one of these. Belt.
Tiny belts.
And an angry Donald Duck.
And there's Minion. Oh my god, there's Minion.
What's his name?
Yoshi.
Yoshi.
It's Goofy. Bolton.
W, Kamen Rider W, right?
More. A washing machine.
And here's the girls. I will sell this. Oh my god, look at that. It's cute.
Okay. Lolly. And a heart.
A monkey.
A minion.
Oh, that will be mine. That's mine, yeah.
Keychains.
Look at it, guys. It's cute. And this one
Why does it
also.
smell like it came from a mall? For real. More Jollibee toys.
T-Rex. I mean Ceratosaurus.
Ah. Now, here it is.
Ah, there. Yep, I know it. To an angry mother, to a good mother. To an angry mother, to a good mother.
Oh, Vincent.
Oh, hey, look, it's heat blast.
Jollibee.
What are those?
These are Scooby-Doo storybooks. I don't know what this is. And a washing machine, just like a tung clock.
Okay.
Oh, God.
I don't know what these are.
Oh.
More Jollibee toys. And this thing.
Okay.
A chipmunk.
A bunny and what is this?
The hell is this?
What is this thing supposed to be?
This will be Daddy's
Oh, look, it's from
meds.
Removal jacket. Nice. It's from Big Hero 6, the main antagonist of the film. The best feature is removable jacket.
Man in a kabuki mask.
Attack you. I don't know what this thing
Mickey
does.
Mouse. Miss Luigi.
More Jollibee, lots of Jollibee and PJs.
I hate PJ masks.
Yeah, no, it's your favorite, man. Don't disagree with.
You hate this? They're cute.
PJ.
What is this supposed to be?
Oh, look at Angry Mud. I don't know.
Oh, it's a phone.
I don't know what this is supposed to be.
Is this working? Or not?
The hell? Oh, it's a Yeti with an ass right there.
More haplas. Me.
Really? Bro, look here, look here. Yeah!
Whatever. That's
And I guess that is.
Thank
Oh,
you.
wait.
No more?
It's no more. It's no use.
That's a robot, you know.
Wait.
Wait. Give me that. Okay.
Oh, the turtles is here. Look at the turtles. It's very cute.
Dirt. More stuffed toys. Schoolgirl. Yeah.
It's an anime.
Anime schoolgirl. Oh.
Big robot.
This has a lot of control.
This is for Uncle Kerwin.
Yes.
Yes.
Rest in peace.
Yes.
Press F to pay
Kuya.
respects.
For miss you, Kuya Kerwin. This is for you.
There we go.
Yes, that's it.
Wait.
So,
Hey, I guess
that's all, folks.
this is all what we
See you guys next time.
So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and
Smash the notification bell so you'll
Go
get
on.
another videos.
why are you looking so down today, bro?
Whatever.
So see you guys next
Next
time.
time.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Babush.
That's all.
Babush.
Bye.
Bye.
Stay
Bye.
safe,
Stay safe,
everyone.
everyone. God bless.
Stay safe.